my name is Marsha. This is my husband Ed, and we are here in sunny Margaritaville Resort, Orlando, and we wanted to tell you about our experience buying a home here. We originally found out about Margaritaville Resort, Orlando I got an email one day, just random, the Coconut Telegraph telling me about it and that you could put a deposit down. And I called my brother, and we had been looking for a shore house. We live in Allentown, Pennsylvania. We had gone to the Jersey Shore several times, thought about buying a home there. The problem with that was it has the same winter weather as our home in Allentown. So we were more looking for some relief during the winter months. So we saw it, and I said to my brother, why don't we put down a deposit and see where it goes? We called our sister, and she had just bought a house up in Lake Placid, and she passed at that time. So we put our deposit down September. We come on a family cruise at Thanksgiving, and we were in the Orlando area, and I heard that they put up a trailer. At the time when we came then, the project was sand. There was nothing here, a little trailer. We went in, saw the plans, talked to the salesman, and at that point, we thought the project was so intriguing that my 3 children put down a deposit that day. And we all decided it was totally refundable, so we're like, there's no risk involved. We'll see where it heads. Then my sister came down that following February because we were telling her how the kids put down deposits. And then she was like, you're right, the weather's good. Lake Placid also has a lot of winter weather like we have at home. So they put their deposit down the following February. My son's house ended up being right across the street from me, and my daughter's a block away, and my son is 8 houses down. And my brother's up on, Parrot Head, so pretty close. And so then it was just a matter of like picking out what kind of house we were going to decide on. I decided on going by the water because I wanted a pool and hot tub. Although the facilities here, there are a lot of pools up at the Salty Rim Fins Up Club, but it's always nice if you go out at night, come home from the park, the kids want to hop in the hot tub while you're doing something in the house. It's always nice to have that available at the house. But when we come here, the kids, we love to come here, because of the weather is better than where we live at home. And we love Disney, and there's always so much to do in Orlando. So we have passes, we go to the park at night, the kids go and swim at the Fins Up Club during the day. We also have passes to H2O Live, and the kids love to go to the water park, and it's close. They have a little van that goes around here. They'll pick the kids up, and take them over to the water park, and if you give them a call, they'll come back and pick you up, take you to Sunset Walk to eat. We like to go to the Studio Movie Grill, $5 Tuesdays, and there's always something to do here. The great part of Margaritaville is that if you don't want to do anything outside of the resort, you don't have to leave here. There's plenty to do here. You have the water park, the pools, there's entertainment. They have a comedy club up at the hotel. There's a lot of events going on. And it's very laid back, so you don't have to, if you come from the pool, you don't have to dress up, or, the restaurants all walk in, which we enjoy. So a lot of times, they have now kids' meals at the Salty Rim. The kids love to eat there. They give them cards, they order their food, and then they can swim while it's being prepared, so you don't have to go up to the restaurant. Although we do frequent a lot of the restaurants on Sunset Walk because they're close, and you can get a ride there and back. We normally rent a car, but you don't have to have a car once you get here because everything is so contained. If you want to go over to Disney World, the Animal Kingdom's only like 1 or 2 miles away, so super close. One of the reasons I wanted to add in as to why we decided to buy a house here was we had also looked at other options on islands over in the Bahamas. And you know, the convenience of Margaritaville is when you drive down Sunset Walk, you feel like you're in the Caribbean. But for us, we have a bunch of people, we have 13 people, and frequently if the kids get an earache, there's an emergency center right across the street. If you have people coming for dinner, there's a Target superstore. That Margaritaville transportation will take you to pick up groceries, or you can have your groceries delivered here. There's a Wawa, convenient, and so you have the convenience of, you know, just regular life, but you can escape it once you're inside the resort itself. It felt like we were on the islands. So we like that with the convenience of being at home. You know, the truth is I couldn't tell you one thing I look forward to most about coming here. Literally when the kids get on the plane and they leave here, they cry on the plane. I mean, Margaritaville has a Facebook page. Through Facebook. You connect with a lot of the other owners, and we have become friends with some of the owners. Another family from here actually joined us on our cruise for Thanksgiving, and they're coming to stay with my son and daughter-in-law tomorrow through the new year because their house is rented. And one of the great things is I think all the owners look out for each other. They look out for everyone's homes. There's a lot of owner parties, get-togethers, and I mean, there are people that have similar interests. I've met several pretty good friends through Margaritaville. We rent it out. We use one of the management companies. We're with V-Stays. And we love them. They're very good to us. When you come, when you're bringing your family here, the house looks brand new. It's super clean. You would never know that anybody had rented your home or been in it, which we like. And of course, not that we have this service at home, what do we love about Margaritaville is they wash all the towels, change the sheets, right? When I leave, I don't want to go somewhere where I have to bring my own sheets, towels, make the beds. If I'm coming on vacation, if I'm doing the same thing I'm doing at home, why? So one of the great parts about rental is you come, shampoo, they give you, towels, the beds are clean, and when you leave, you're just like, whatever, and they come in and then clean it up for you. And that is one of the things I love about it. In closing, I'm going to say overall, we all settled on our homes. I think everybody is happy with their house.